Well, hello there, sweet people. Welcome to the Sweet K channel. I thought I will take you along with me on my journey of packing and organizing the stuff. We are gonna be moving in about 1.5 months. We weren't sure whole year if we will need to move or won't need to move, but we have to move. So now is the time to go through all the stuff and just start packing and organizing. And this is the Pandora box, or how would I call it? This is the place where all the rubbish and stuff which don't have the actual room in our house, or I didn't know where to put them, ended up here. So this cupboard is full of very interesting and unexpected things, which most of the stuff have no idea what is in there, because I'm just chucking all the stuff away. So I won't see it and I won't know what is inside. I hate packing, I hate moving personally, probably just because I just don't want to see how much stuff do we have, and I don't like throwing stuff away, and I don't like getting a new stuff, and I don't like moving in general. It's a bit scary process for me, but I thought I will start slowly going through the things, see if there is something what I need to get rid of, or what I need to put to a charity, or what I need to pack, or something what we might probably need before we'll move. So I will keep that on the side. I think we'll have to start with the drawers. I'm not sure if I can fill the entire cupboard into one video. We'll see, because there is really a lot of stuff. Let me just open it quickly for you and show you. This is just rubbish. Like so much stuff. This one is really hard to close, so it's all organized and it's all put inside like a puzzle, but once you take it out you cannot put it back inside. Let's start with the drawers and let's start organizing and packing. So this is the first one. It's really messy, and I will start going through them and see what everything actually is inside. I don't really know. This is just plain envelopes, paper, and more clean paper. These are oh yeah, I know what is this one. These are instructions for a game. I don't know how it's called, but you are basically dismantling or disactivating the bomb, and you have to play it in the couples, and you have to read the instructions from the manuals. I kept the paper so we can reuse it for something. I'll still keep it. This is more just clean paper, and then random things. Gel padding into the shoe, so that shouldn't be in a drawer. So this one will need to find a place somewhere else. And memory lane, we have a golf house score, so this one needs to be somewhere as well. Another random thing, moleskin for feet. I don't know why do I have so much stuff for the feet. We have some scissors, then we have one dressing. Okay, then we have a silver polishing cloth. What? Why? This one will go into my bedroom.
I'll keep the scissors here. This is just some random paper. Okay. This is an empty envelope from photos, but this one I'm actually going to keep because I want to put them in and move them in.
Fabric transfer paper, when you want to make your own t-shirt. This one is going to be packed because we won't need this one. I'm not comfortable. I do have a box from Abel & Co. Thank you, Abel & Co. for donating me this box. I'm reusing your stuff all the time, and I sometimes feel bad that I do, but I mean, why not? More paper in completely shredded packaging, so I'll put all of this inside, and I might sellotape the thing. We have another scissors, rubbish, sellotape, draw down. So all what I kept is the paper, sellotape, scissors and the envelope, which I will reuse, and the other things will go somewhere else or they will be thrown away. Let's go into the next one. Oh geez, so this is gonna be interesting. So we have some birthday bags and wrapping bags, so this can be packed. Also some Christmas decoration, which I found after I packed all the Christmas decoration away and I was too lazy to put it back. What's this? Oh, I know what it is. It's a wedding card. I never get to send it. I got it for my friend and somehow I forgot to send it. I didn't even write anything inside, and I think they are already divorced, so that didn't last very long, and I kind of saved myself money. Probably I felt that that marriage won't last very long, so I didn't send it. I'm so sorry. So this one can be packed. Maybe someone else will get married and we will use it. The last drawer, I think it goes very well. This one is full of cables mostly. We have some old headphones which don't work anymore, so I think this can go to bye-bye headphones. What else? We have a lot of cables. We do have one more box, so this one can be dedicated for cables and stuff like that. Oh, hello packaging, I didn't know you are still here. So I'll put them all in and then I can just put them away, and I know that they are all together. This drawer was very successful. We only have one thing left, and these are our batteries which we are still using. So they are staying here. I think I'm doing a very good job. I'm very pleased with myself. But the drawers were easy. Now we have a harder thing to do. And these are all these things here. So I need to pack it all. Let's do this. Then we have the speakers, which are so bad, but we feel bad to throw them away because they are brand new speakers, but the quality of them is terrible, let me tell you. Okay, I think I'm giving up for today. I need more boxes and I need more space because I have nowhere to put it. But at least I did something. I did empty most of the drawers, so I tidy up that. I have one whole box full of rubbish, just the notepads and things like that which we don't use at all. But I don't know why do we have it. And I have a huge pile which needs to be thrown out. And then I have a box full of cables, and I have a broken speaker which needs to go on the recycling, and I'm just exhausted and I don't know what to do. I definitely need to get more boxes and wait for another day when I will be in the mood of sorting and tidying up. I don't know, if you do have any tips for moving, please let me know. Thank you for watching. I'm going to give up today, and I'll show you, or maybe I'll take you with me next time when I'll be battling these things inside which I hate. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video if you like it. Come back next Tuesday. I'm uploading every Tuesday. I will have more interesting content coming. Probably I'll show you more organizing stuff or more moving if I will be doing something interesting. Keep a smile on your face, take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Bye.